Thank you for your interest in submitting an abstract for a WEF education and training event. This video will use the Residuals and Biosolids 2018 conference as an example, but the submission module is the same across all conferences. First thing to do is navigate to the WEF conference page you're interested in and click Submit Now. Log into the submission portal using your WEF email and password. Here, you can see all of the submission options and the My Account tab where you can update your information. For this video, we will click on Create Abstract module to show you the Abstract Submission module. Here, you will see a set of instructions that label the different colored tabs and the abstract submission due date. Step 1 is to save the title of your abstract. We will call this Test Abstract for Web. Once you hit Save, the module will change the tab color to display the steps that are not yet completed in red. Steps that have been completed will be shown in green, and steps that are optional will be shown in blue. The next step is to input the primary author. If you are the primary point of contact and would most likely be the one to present at the event in the case that the abstract was chosen by the committee, click Yes. If you are simply assisting the primary author with their abstract submission, click No and input their information in the next page. The primary author must complete a confirmation form in order to submit the abstract. You can print a copy of your confirmation for your record. Now I will show you what happens if you click No. You can search for the primary author. This tool allows you to not have the need to input all of the primary author's information. You simply search for them in the WEF database, and it will pull the information for you. So let's say I want Laura to be my primary author. There she is. Assign primary author. There you go. Now on to the co-authors. Please make sure to search for your co-author first, otherwise you will create confusing duplicates in the system. There, I found my co-author. And you can add up to 10. So if you search something random that does not yield any results, you can add a co-author into the system. Here you can add all of their information and click Submit. But I will not do this because I don't want to create a dummy account. Always make sure to click Save. After that, it is time for the abstract itself. Please note that if you copy and paste from Word, all of the formatting will be stripped from the text. Test abstract. You can add bold, italic, superscript, and subscript formatting by using the Special Characters drop-down menu. You simply click on which type of formatting you want, and a line of code will appear at your cursor. Simply delete the 3 dots and replace them with the text that you want formatted. You must click Save in order to preview your work. Here you can see my bold text. You can add references, but this step is not required. Hey, I see that my Authors tab is still red. This means that I have not completed this step. You must complete the confirmation. You must pick one topic. If you change your mind, click on the box next to Remove for the word that you want, and the box next to Add for the new word that you want to replace it with. You must click Remove and Add before you click Save. If you do not do so, the system will not allow you to change it. It does not get removed. You must click Remove and Add. You can choose up to 3 keywords. Fill in the additional information form according to your specific situation. You can add images and tables at this step. Simply click and drag your image into the box and click Upload. You can add a caption. Now you can preview how your image appears. When you're ready, click Finalize. Don't worry if you want to make final edits. You can always go back and make changes up to the submission deadline. It is better to click Finalize ahead of time, then go back and make edits, than to miss a submission deadline. When you click Finalize, you will be able to print your submission for your record. You will receive an automatic email informing you that your abstract was received. This is what it will look like. If you want to go back and make edits, simply click on your abstract and make any edits you wish. You can even change your authors and then click Finalize again. You will receive an email notifying you that your new abstract has been received. Thank you for submitting your abstract, and please reach out to dprado@west.org if you have any questions with the submission portal. Thank you.